Hello guys, welcome to my channel Better Talent. Today we're gonna talk about how to use the AWS Glue Studio with Jupyter Notebook for interactive development. So the first prerequisite is just you have to clone this repository. So I'm gonna provide the repository link also, so it's a GitHub repository. And then another thing what you have to do, you have to create a S3 bucket with the name like bt test bck, and then you have to create one more folder inside that input, and then you have to upload these two files. So these two files you're gonna get from over here. So these I have already uploaded for you in the repository, so just clone it and upload it into the S3 bucket, these two files. Yeah, so then next step is, so you need a IAM role also. So you need to create like AWS Glue service role, and then you have to attach AWS manage 3 policy to that. So like you have to give the S3 access, also you have to give Glue service role, which is also AWS managed. Then you have to give assign Glue session to user restricted notebook policy, and then you have to attach one more custom like inline policy. So it's trying to, the main purpose of this is to pass the role to the Glue so that it can work with the interactive sessions. So this inline policy is already uploaded over here. So once you go back, so you can see the content over here. So now what's the next step? So in the next step, we're gonna go to the Glue Studio. So once you reach in the Glue Studio, so you can let's see, once you click on this job, so you have to choose, like, click on this Jupyter Notebook. It's telling like, okay, write your own code in a Jupyter Notebook for interactive development, and you can create a notebook from scratch, or you can upload and edit an existing notebook. So just because we have cloned the repository, we have the notebook already, so click on the choose file, and then just select this notebook file and then click open, and then you have to click create. So you can give the job name, so whatever name you like. So let's say we're gonna give it Glue Studio job 1. So maybe like I'll say like that, my job 1, and then I can select the role which I have created, AWS Glue service role. So this Glue service role is the one which I have created over here. So AWS Glue service role, and then start the notebook. So it's gonna take some few minutes, just like notebook to start, because it's initialized behind the scene, and like here you go, so it's ready for us. So here you can see all the, like, in the Glue interactive session, what kind of magics are there, so like what kind of commands are there. So you can specify a profile, which IAM role you have to assume, all those kind of things you can do over here. So you can go through the AWS Glue interactive session documentation to understand more about it. Yeah, so like, okay, now first I'm gonna execute this code. So this is to create a Glue context, and you can see over here in this, so it started provisioning the glue context. So we have to wait for this before we execute the another command in the notebook. So how you can see the notebooks, like this Glue session, so you have to click over here in the left panel, and it's gonna take you to this link. So over here it is gonna show you what all the interactive session are currently going on. So it's also take just couple of minutes. Yeah, now it's ready. Let's go to the next step. So you can see if I click over here, it's gonna show, okay, what is this is the session ID, which I can see over here. It's matching to this, so this is the latest one. And if I execute this one, it's gonna show me like, okay, how many records are there and what is the schema of frame. So it's showing me 20 records are there, and there are 4 columns in these files. And when you're gonna click on this, so it's again gonna show you all the data in those files. So it's not all the data, so it will display like there is some, it's not gonna show you all the data, so there is some defaults setting like how many 10 record or 20 record it's gonna show. So it's like that. So that's the function of that data frame dot show function. Yeah, so that's all about for today tutorial. So thank you so much guys. If you like this tutorial, gives a thumbs up, subscribe my channel for and to learn more about the new technology. Thank you so much.